Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, I'm at a papatakaro, and that's my 7th favourite place in the whole world to be. Come on! Wah! Perfect. Whoa! Check this out, my cuzzies. It's ginormous. I want to climb to the top. Oh, but what if I can't make it? And what if I fall out? And what if I get to the top and then I can't get down? I'm feeling... afraid. Mataku. Oh. Be brave, cuz. Buzz the Cuz, back at it again. Let's go. You can do this, Buzz. Remember, my cuzzies, when you're climbing things, always have 3 points of contact. Kia kaha, Buzz. Kia maya. Kia... You got this, Buzz. 3 points of contact. Oh, foot's going over there. Okay, Buzz, you got this. Almost at the first platform. Platform! Oh, check it out, my cuzzies. We're already really high. Okay, we've still got some way to go. Oh, check it out. This is really, really high. We're almost at the top. Woo! And we made it to the top, Etefano. Check it out! Whee! All right, time to get down. Now, be really safe. 1 step at a time. 3 points of contact. There we are, right there. I conquered my fear.